Hi, Sam Schifman here, and I'd like to take a moment to tell you why I'm so excited to join the team at Vantiq. So what is Vantiq? Well, Vantiq is a software platform for creating and operating intelligent systems that sense, analyze, and react instantly to dynamic situations. Why is that important? Well, in my 25 years of building software, I've mostly worked on solutions where, we took some input, generally from a user, put it in a database, and then tried to gain some insights or even take some action off of it. And that's just fine if your volume of input is relatively low. But in today's world, we have an explosion of events. I mean, we even have pill bottles with Bluetooth in the cap that let us know when people open them to take their medication. If we're truly going to utilize this rich world of events, we need to design our solutions in a different way. We need to make them reactive. What does that mean? Well, first and foremost, that means that they're responsive. That means no matter how many times you go back to the system, it's able to respond to you in a reasonable amount of time. In order to do that, it has to be elastic. It has to automatically scale with load. But it also has to be resilient. It has to be built with the understanding that failure is not an if, it's a when. But the system has to keep working. Well, how do you achieve that? You build it all on a message-driven platform. And Vantiq is the first platform that I've come across which is truly built from the ground up to be reactive, to be based on a message-driven system. In Vantiq, services talk to clients, to other services, and even to data sources over asynchronous messaging, making it possible to truly build reactive solutions. But even beyond that, we all know that change is the only constant. I have a watch today that can do more than mainframes could at the beginning of computing. We need our solutions to be able to change with us, to be agile. And with Vantiq's Visual Logic Builder and Visual User Interface Builder, we can iterate at the speed of business. But even beyond that, because those solutions are deployed within the Vantiq platform and operated within the Vantiq platform, you can do so with confidence that they will be reliable. And so you end up with solutions that truly are reactive and that you can deploy with confidence. All of this leads to the fact that Vantiq empowers orchestration. Well, what is that? Well, generally when you walk into a business process for the first time, you discover a lot of chaos. Everything's kind of going around in all kinds of different ways. And the traditional way to approach that is to get everybody together, talk through the process, map it out, figure out how we can improve it, and then roll out automation. But generally, by the time we roll out that automation, the business has moved on. With Vantiq, what we can do is we can automate those micro workflows and iterate on them at a rate that can keep pace with business. And with the platform, we can confidently orchestrate across all those micro workflows. And this means that Vantiq really is a software platform for creating and operating intelligent systems that orchestrate resilient solutions reliably. Now, in future videos, I'll talk a little bit about how we bring AI into that, and also why Vantiq is perfect for healthcare. But for now, thank you for listening. Love to continue the conversation, so feel free to reach out. And I hope you have a great rest of your day.